If you're a medical student, this is a must-know topic for exams, okay, especially for the first year MBBS students. It comes in CNS, that is reticular formation, and I'll just make it very simple and exam-focused class here. Now, when we tell a reticular formation, it is nothing but a diffuse network of neurons in the brainstem, meaning these are the group of neurons which are present or distributed throughout the midbrain, pons, medulla. Sometimes it can extend up to the upper part of the spinal cord. And remember, it has no clear anatomical boundaries. That's why don't try to localize like any other nuclei, okay? And this is a major integrating center and relay center, meaning, see, this is like it is present in the brainstem. So any information which goes from the spinal cord to brain, or any information which is descending down from the cortex down to the spinal cord, everything will either relay here, and then only it will be sent to the other area. So it is, or integrates that. So it's an integrating center or relay center, and it helps in maintaining the consciousness. Now you are awake and alert and listening to the class now, because there is an ascending reticular activating system which is starting from the brain stem, that is from the reticular formation, and going to the cortex. It will keep your cortex awake and alert, okay? That is why whenever any damage happens to this ascending reticular activating system, the person will go into coma. That is when brainstem is damaged, no, the person will enter coma. And your reticular formation also regulates the sleep wake cycle, that is your circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm meaning it helps, like, see, if you sleep properly, that is when you will be alert, right? So indirectly, reticular formation system's main work is to keep you alert and awake from any danger when you encounter any danger. It also controls your motor system via reticulospinal tract. I have a separate video for this which I'll attach to in the description box. Okay, the link I'll share it there. Autonomic control center meaning, remember, all your vital signs, that is your respiratory rate, heart rate, and blood pressure, are controlled by your autonomic control center, and that is getting modified by reticular formation. So indirectly, it also controls your autonomic function. And reticular formation is also involved in descending pain modulating system. Okay, just remember that. Now maybe in detail I'll explain in the coming videos how the descending pain modulating system works and how reticular formation has a role in that. Okay, and remember, this is a must know topic for students. And if you want a very clear conceptual understanding, no, I have a detailed video in the video section. I'll just put the link for that in the description box. Okay, and if you want this kind of exam focused topics, please subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends.